Why automations break in 6 months. It worked yesterday, it worked this morning. But at 2 p.m. while you were at lunch, your automation broke. But it didn't just stop. It got stuck in a loop. It sent the same welcome aboard email to your highest paying client 40 times in a row. Short silence. Let it hang. You didn't automate your business. You automated your embarrassment. This is called spaghetti automation. And if you're just connecting app A to app B without a plan, you are building a time bomb. Today, we aren't talking about tools. We're talking about architecture. This is how you build systems that survive contact with reality. The happy path trap. Most of you build for the happy path. Step 1, lead comes in. Step 2, add to CRM. Step 3, send email. It looks clean, it feels efficient. But what happens if the CRM is down for 5 seconds? The automation stops. Step 3 never happens, the lead never gets the email. You just lost a customer because of a 5-second API glitch, and you won't even know it happened. That is the financial anchor. Fragility costs you revenue. We're going to fix this with 3 rules. The database of record, the brain. Stop passing data like a hot potato. In a spaghetti automation, you pass data from Typeform to Slack to MailChimp. If Slack breaks, MailChimp starves. The fix, use a database of record. Your automation should do one thing, put the data in the database. Demo Airtable as the brain. Look at this Airtable base. This is my brain. Notice this column, status. Right now, the status is new lead. I have a specific automation in Make that watches only for records that say new lead. It runs, sends the email, and then updates the status to emailed. If the email fails, the status stays new lead. The automation tries again in 15 minutes. The data is safe in the database. It isn't lost in the ether. This creates a state machine. The automation doesn't care about the previous step, it only cares about the status. Here's the rule to live by. Automations shouldn't remember anything. Databases remember. Automations just act. Separation of concerns is the only way to scale. Idempotency, the double charge protection. Idempotency. It's a fancy word that saves your reputation. It means, if I run this automation twice, does it break things? Imagine your payment automation runs, charges the client, but fails to send the receipt. So you fix the error and run it again. Boom, you just charge the client a second time. Now you have a chargeback dispute. Let me show you how to build idempotency in 30 seconds. Most people just drag in a create contact module. Wrong, stop doing that. Drag in a search record module first. Tell it, search HubSpot for this email address. Then add a filter. If record does not exist, create contact. If the record does exist, stop or update it. This simple check prevents you from having 5 duplicates of the same client in your CRM. It takes 1 extra module to save hours of data cleanup later. An idempotent system checks first. If you're not building checks before your actions, you are dangerous to your own business. The dead letter queue, the morgue. Real systems fail. APIs go down, credentials expire, Google changes their permissions. Amateurs let the data vanish into the ether. Veterans build a dead letter queue. In Make or N8, this is your error handler. Demo the error route. Visual, screen recording of Make, showing the error handler directive. Watch this. I right-click on my Google Sheets module. I select Add Error Handler. See this little transparent bubble? That is the escape hatch. If Google Sheets is broken, the data flows here. I connect this bubble to a different Google Sheet called the Morgue. I map the data, error message, time, and customer data. Now, when the API fails, the automation doesn't crash. It quietly files the error in the Morgue and sends me a Slack alert. I wake up, check the Morgue, and manually process those 3 leads. I didn't lose the money. Automation isn't about replacing humans completely. It's about flagging the exceptions for humans to fix. Build the Morgue, save the bodies. The operational shift. Stop building long, winding snakes of logic. Build small, modular workers. One worker puts data in the box, one worker takes data out of the box. If one dies, the other keeps working. That's resilience. If you build your system on a house of cards, go fix it. If you don't have the tools yet, watch the playbook video on the screen now. But if you have the tools, stop playing with toys and build a machine. See you in the work.